Hey, in this short video, we are going to integrate our PayPal with GoHighLevel. And I'm going to walk you through how to do it and overcome some of the problems that I see a lot that I've even experienced with getting that integration set up. And I do recommend that you do PayPal as a payment option anywhere because a lot of people still use it. So a lot of people really don't like to pull out their PayPal or their credit cards. They've got integrated in PayPal, so it's just easier for them to use. And so you might as well just keep people swimming downstream when they're checking out on your pages, right? So let's go over here to the dashboard inside of GoHighLevel, okay? Now the way you find the integrations is just under payments. Okay, so this one is not in the settings integrations like Facebook and all that stuff. This is in your payments area. Okay, and it's way over here to the right side. So if you can see where my mouse is, top right corner, there's integrations, and then you'll see your Stripe, PayPal, and a bunch of others down here. Okay, so when you're ready, just hit the connect button here with PayPal. Okay, and then it's going to basically take you to a page like this where you're going to see a client ID and a secret ID for the live site and for the sandbox. Okay, and what throws a lot of people off here is that you've got this email address populated in there by default from GoHighLevel, and so a lot of people leave that there thinking, oh, okay, or they put their PayPal email address in there thinking that's what you're supposed to put there, but it's not. Okay. So what we do, and this, by the way, this video that links to it here is just totally useless. That's probably why you're here. So what we do is just log into PayPal. Okay, so once you get logged in, then what you're going to do is, and you want to have a PayPal business account set up, so I don't think it costs anything. You just have to switch it from being just personal to being business so that you can use their developer tools. And so what you do is you get logged in, go over here to developer, okay, and then what we're going to do over here is we're going to go to apps and credentials, okay, and then you'll notice up here we're in the sandbox, so we just want to click that little thing and hit live. All right, and then what you're going to do is just create an app, give it a name, any name, doesn't matter. I would just name it something so you know what you're referring to, GoHighLevel. Okay, and then what that's going to do is it's going to generate a client ID. So you just copy that. Okay, go back over here, paste that into your client ID spot. Okay, and then you're going to have a secret key, and you just copy that. Okay, and paste that into your secret ID area, and then hit save. Okay, so you can do that with the sandbox as well if you want, so that you can test purchases and stuff like that. But that will get you all integrated. And if everything worked, then it will just save and it will look like this. It'll just say disconnect. If you had an issue, then a little error box will pop out over here and just say it didn't work, it didn't recognize it. So that you may just have to recopy things or troubleshoot it from there. Okay, but that is basically how you get set up. Okay, so if we go to one of my checkout pages here, then you'll see that if we scroll down, once that loads up, you'll see that PayPal is now an option on the checkout page. Okay, so they can either do that or credit card, as we've already had integrated with Stripe. So hope that helps you out, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. And if you liked this video, please give it a, and if you're not a subscriber, hey, why not subscribe? All right, we'll see you in the next video.